Hello everybody, so this evening what I want to show you is something which I discovered recently, which is the secure selection toggle, which you will find right here in the viewport tools at the side there. And what was interesting about this was, say for example I want to select something. I'm going to hit this selection button. Here I've got it in polygon mode, so I'm going to select this and this. Now maybe I want to transform them, move them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them. Okay, nice. And then maybe I want to move, say, points instead. So what I can do is, of course, select again. And then I'm going to select my points, so I can do that here, or I can hit my hotkey, which is 2. I should point out these hotkeys. We've got 2 for points, 3 for edges, and 4 for primitives. So I'm going to take my points there, I'm going to select them, and I'm going to move that again. So let's shift that up there, right? Okay, cool. The problem with this is it's a bit of a pain, because each time I want to select I have to click on this select button, or I can hit the S key, which will do the same thing, right? And then I have to select up here what I want, or use my hotkeys. That's fine. But let's say, for example, I want to do them more quickly. Say you come from traditional modeling applications. I'm guessing Blender will do this. I usually use Maya. In Maya, it's a lot more intuitive, I guess, when you're doing this kind of modeling, not procedural modeling, but just like your traditional modeling. And so what I found that actually helped me with this was this little button here, the secure selection. And what this allowed was that I didn't have to keep selecting this the selection button each time. So I'll turn this off a minute. Let me see. Oops, I've got it in this overall selection. Let me go back to this. All right. And now what I can do is I can just want to use my, let's say my edges here, and I can just select the edges that I want. Okay, now if I hit my my transform, now I can transform these as I would expect. But now of course I would normally have to decide to go back here and select this select button, but I don't have to do that now. I'm in my transform and I can just use my hotkey. This time I'll go to points, so I'll hit 2, and now I can select them and move them. Now I want to go into, let's go edges, number 3. No, let's go primitives. Okay, I can select this primitive and I can move that, right? I'm making a super model here, right? But what this allows me to do is to shift between my points and my primitives and my edges without having to each time go back to this selection tool. So I can do it much more quickly, exactly like I would do it in Maya. Okay, just a little tip there, and I hope this helps you, and you guys have a great evening. Bye bye.